guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I got a new 4-camera security system to check out today. I have, I don't know, 20 cameras on the property now, and I'm always ready to have more because there's always that one spot you want to check out. It is the GU01 system. Well, these guys have come up with a 4-camera system that uses kind of a base station. It has one part that you put inside the house, if I can get it open. And so you have one app that you can view, or I assume you might even be able to view it through a regular laptop or a regular computer. But the 4 cameras themselves all report back to it. And it is solar powered with battery backup, which is nice. Yeah, this is pretty cool looking. So let's get these out. The things that I love about it is no wires whatsoever. They're all Wi-Fi operated. You can see the antennas here. They all have solar panels to keep them charged up. They're movable. They have lights built in. So I mean, they're just kind of and you can put them anywhere on your property. You're not limited to being near an outlet or limited to the 100 feet or whatever of wiring that you bought for it. Yeah, so here's what we got. 4 cameras, tilt and pan, with lights, with night shot, with solar. And then we have this, which is our main hub. This is a 32 gig hub here that's going to record. Now, you know, some systems record all the time, or you can set them up to. This system is motion detect record only, which is fine with me because I don't really care about catching, you know, the grass growing. I want to see what's going on. Now, it does have a hardwired LAN connection so that I am able, it looks like, to read this off of the internet. Let's take a look. It's the GU01 from Ansque, I think it's called. 11 pages in English, so a fairly simple setup, it would appear. So it does have an app for setting up the camera. You do want to plug this into your router. That allows this to communicate all these wirelessly into this. Honestly, just not a ton to it. The app apparently is where we're going to be doing most of our time. So the way to set these up, it comes with it. You can set it up into drywall or regular wall, or in my case, these are going to be outside, probably on trees. And so you would want this to be in a place that, let's see here. You'd set it up like this. And so your choices are, you can screw through the back or through the bottom to support it. So do I want it on a post? Well, then I would screw this down onto it and slide this onto it. Or do I want it on a tree? I could screw it to a tree. But, you know, I'm excited to try it out. I'm kind of curious what it's going to look like to have all 4 cameras up. Question I have now is how far will the range be from the main, you know, transmitter? So we want to set this thing up in a way that it's going to record what's going on. And so I think what I'm going to do is put 1 or 2 back here in the woods, like facing towards the building from the woods, and maybe another 1 or 2 somewhere else on the property. And that's where I want to know where the range of this is. So it'd be kind of cool to see how that plays out. All right, so if you can see here, we got them set up. A little morning dew on these things, but I plugged them in last night. They both, almost all of them, have full charge. And you can see, watch as it tracks me. See how it's following me around? Pretty darn cool, huh? So auto tracking is activated on these things, solar power, and it is recording. And we'll go in and look at the cell phone here in a second. It's like, hey, what's up? Yeah, I see that. It'll follow me where I go. Pretty cool, huh? Good. Well, let's go inside and see what that looks like on the little hard drive that it comes with. All right, so you open up the app, and you can see here we have all 4 cameras. And there's our home base there. That's the little hard drive. And so we can take a look. You click on that and it'll show you. There's the current view. If you want to move that view around, you totally can. And then it has any alerts. Hear it outside, it'll set off an alarm. And it also has 2-way voice, or it has voice, so you can actually hear audio in here as well. All right, and if you want to press the play button, right, so that's it, like all of them. So if I want to move this back and forth, I can look at each one of these, move it around as I see fit. And then if I want to see what's happened as far as like the different cameras, firmware updates, that kind of stuff. You could add more cameras to this. This one has 4 in it right now. And you can share this with other people, which I thought was interesting as well. So if you want to add another phone to this, you can do that, or share event, things that have happened. So if you want to see the recorded stuff, you go to events, and here it is, and you'll see there's the very first video it took. Here's one at 11 o'clock as I was trying to set the camera up. And you can see it also has alerts. So it's just now coming in with the, hey, I saw something. There I am. A video inside of a video. So it's watching me and it's following me around. Pretty cool. Anyway, I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these, but this thing is a really nice little setup here. I love the fact that I don't need cloud storage, that it just records to the device here at the house and then also sends me the updates and the live videos then. I have a bunch of camera systems that you have to buy a monthly service, or you have to pay annually to have storage for the videos. This doesn't need that, and that's really cool. Till next time, my friends, take care.